Today on Mag's Handy Gadgets, we're making a delicious spicy ground beef and vegetable stir fry with mushrooms. So let's get started. For the main ingredients of our spicy ground beef and veggie stir fry with mushrooms we have 3/4 pound all beef hamburger patties, and they're froze, and we're going to defrost them and make them taste really good. And over here we have poblano mildly hot green peppers, broccoli, carrots, cauliflower, sugar snap peas, white corn, water chestnuts, and red bell peppers. And over here we have 8 ounces of mushrooms already sliced. And we have some soy sauce here that we're going to add some good seasonings to that. Yeah, that'll make it taste good. And we also have 1 large cucumber that we're going to slice up and make it taste even better and keep this crunchy. Yeah, that sounds good. Okay, let's get started making our seasonings and our soy sauce. Yep. Okay, let's do that. To make our spicy ground beef and vegetable stir fry, we have a 1/4 cup of soy sauce. To that, we're going to add a 1/4 cup of oyster sauce. One tablespoon of minced garlic. Half a teaspoon of black pepper. 1 teaspoon of red pepper. Yeah, that ought to do something. 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Yeah, now we're talking. And 1 teaspoon of brown sugar. And to that, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. And we're going to mix that up. Okay, now that we have our nice spicy hot soy sauce mixture all done and it's looking good, we're going to start stir frying. Yeah, that sounds good. Let's do that. Okay, let's set our burner to medium high. Put a little bit of oil in the pan and let that heat up a little bit. Okay, our burner's nice and hot. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. And to that, we're going to add 3 pats of butter. Melt that in. To that, we're going to add our vegetables. Okay, and to that we're going to add our cucumbers that we sliced up. 1 big cucumber there, we sliced it all up. Stir that around. Yeah, we don't want to cook them too much. We want them to stay nice and crunchy, the cucumbers, you know. Okay, we'll let them go maybe a minute or 2. Okay, it's been almost 2 minutes, so let's give them a stir. Okay, we'll let that go maybe another minute. Okay, it's been about another minute. Yeah, they're looking good. I can smell that garlic in there and the butter. Yeah. Okay. Let's go ahead and shut off our heat and let's get them out of there. We don't want them to overcook and we want to keep them crunchy. Okay, there we have it. Our vegetables are stir fried up really nicely. with the garlic and butter. Yeah, we'll just put them aside for now. Okay, now in the same pan that we have our butter and garlic that we just stir fried our vegetables in there, we're going to go ahead and set our burner to medium, and we're going to put a little bit more oil in the pan, and we're going to take our frozen hamburgers here. They're 1/4 pound all beef patties, and we're going to lay them right in there and let them kind of thaw out. Okay, let's give them a flip and see how we're doing. Okay. Okay, they're pretty well thawed, almost. We'll let them go a little bit there. Let them thaw out a little more. Okay, let's see if they thawed out some. Oh yeah, okay, let's just go ahead and start chopping them up. Now we're going to leave them in kind of big chunks, not real little, you know. Boy, that's smelling good with all the garlic and the butter and all that good stuff in there. Yeah. Okay, we'll let them go for a little bit here and we'll cook them a little bit. Okay, how we're doing here? It looks pretty good. Chop up any real big chunks you see, and leave the little ones here. That's good. Yeah, we're leaving some big chunks. That makes it nice. Okay, let's go ahead and turn up the heat to medium-high and give them another stir. Okay, they're looking pretty good. Smells wonderful. Wish you could smell that. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and add our mushrooms in there. That's 8 ounces of sliced mushrooms. Yeah, we love our mushrooms. And give them a stir. Yeah, it's not going to take long for those mushrooms to heat up. They're already pre-cooked, really. Okay, that looks pretty good. Nice. Alright, everything's nice and hot. Now we're going to add our soy sauce mixture. Boy, is this going to make it taste good. Yeah, we'll put that right in there. With our cornstarch and all in there. Yep. Okay, let's give it a quick stir. Okay. Boy, does that smell good already. Spicy ground meat there. Okay, let's lower our heat down to medium, and we'll go ahead and add our vegetables in there. Put them all in there. Give that a stir. Boy, I'm telling you, this smells wonderful. You wouldn't believe how good it smells. Wow. Boy, that's done. Okay, let's shut off our burner and let that rest a minute, and we'll go ahead and plate that up and give it a taste test, because that really does smell good. Well, there you have it, guys. Our delicious spicy ground beef and veggie stir fry with plenty of mushrooms. And we added our cucumbers we sliced up. Yeah, that sounds good. And we also have poblano hot peppers. They're mildly hot. Broccoli, carrots, cauliflower, sugar snap peas, white corn, water chestnuts, and red bell peppers. Yeah, I don't think you can beat that. That sounds really good. And with the seasonings in that soy sauce, the red pepper and the cayenne pepper and all the minced garlic, and is this good? Yeah, we went ahead and made some white rice, and we put some mushrooms and peppers and a little bit of cucumber on top of that. Yeah, that sounds good. And we put a little bit of the meat on there, of course. Yeah. Now, you know what we're missing? We're going to spritz it with a little bit of sesame seed. Just a little bit, not much. Boy, that looks good. Okay, let's just get into a little bite. Okay, let's try to get a piece of everything here. Let's try it right here. We'll get a little bit of the meat, a mushroom, and maybe a cucumber. All right. Wow. Can you see that? Wow, look at all the meat and the mushroom and the cucumber. Yeah. Boy, that looks good. All right, let's just have a little bite. That's beautifully tasting. Not too spicy, just mildly spicy. That's good. Got a little kick there. That's good. Boy, is that tasty. You're gonna love this. That's the best ground meat I've ever tasted. It's pretty tasty, I'll tell you. I thought I saw a water chestnut in here somewhere, but I'll be dang if I can find them. All right, let's have a little bit of the rice. There you go. Oh yeah. Boy, is that good. All I can say is this is really tasty, and it definitely won't last long, because it really is good. And there's a lot here, so you might as well go ahead and invite a friend or two over. Yeah, you know what go good with this? A nice chilled glass of wine. Yeah, that sounds good. Okay guys, and if you like these videos, go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Good.